So the next part of this video is to show you how to cast your vote if you've never done this before. So we're beginning on the same page. Click the link that was provided to you. You'll be brought to this home page, and the first button you're going to select is Continue. Since this is your first time accessing, you're going to select Yes, this is my first time accessing. It's then going to ask you a series of questions. So answer them appropriately. And you'll eventually be taken to a page to register. So from here, you'll enter your information. Choose a password and enter your zip code. You can either select this box or not, that is up to your discretion, but when you're finished, click register. It will then ask you another series of questions. And eventually you'll be taken to this page. Once you arrive to the page where it's asking you about your travel in the last 3 years, this is where the survey part will begin. So this is where the two routes to vote merge. This is where both ways will begin. So from here, you're going to select which regions you've traveled to in the last 3 years. So we're going to select Africa, the Middle East, and then selecting the countries that we've traveled to. And then on this page, feel free to select anything else that you'd like to rate, but in order to place a vote for Extraordinary Journeys, you want to make sure you select tour operators and safari outfitters. From here, select the button that says Select Items to Rate. And then we're taken to a page filled with all of the tour operators and safari outfitters, as you can see here on the top. This list is in alphabetical order, so scroll down the list to the E's, and you'll find Extraordinary Journeys. Click them, and then click Next. So anything else that you might have chosen to place a vote for would also appear here. So if you selected any airlines or hotels that you'd like to vote for, they would show up here. They would be blue because they have not been rated yet, or they would be green if you've already voted for them. So since I only selected Extraordinary Journeys for the purposes of this training video, Extraordinary Journeys is shown here in blue. So I'm going to click them, and then I am taken to the survey. So here's our survey. You are first asked 6 questions to rate on a scale of poor to excellent, and then you have the option to enter any additional comments or feedback here, rate that feedback, and select the items that those comments apply to. So go ahead and cast your vote. And when you're finished, click Rate Next Item in List. When you're taken back to this page, you see Extraordinary Journeys is turned green. This means that you've casted your vote for them. Any other items that you might have selected will still appear here, whether in green or in blue. If they're blue, they still need to be voted on. If they're green, then you're finished with them. So whenever you're done, you can come down to the bottom right-hand corner and click Next. And then we're taken back to our home page. So this is going to show you everything that you voted on. And when you're finished, you see this question down in the bottom, would you like to add more items to your list to rate? You can either say yes if you forgot to vote on something, or if you'd like to add something else. Or if you're finished, you can just click no, and it will take you to this page saying thank you for your ratings. The survey is complete. That concludes this video. Please let us know if you have any questions or any difficulties placing your vote, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.